To automatically save the photos that are present in gallery to your Google account, what you have to do is you have to open this Google folder and you have to use this Google Photos. After that, you have to tap on this profile icon, select photo settings, go to backup and sync, and you have to enable this option, backup and sync. Now there is one more option that might be useful for you, that is upload size. If you don't have enough space in your Google Drive, then what you do is you can select this option, storage saver, which reduces the quality but takes less space. If you have enough space in your Google Drive, then you can select this option, original quality, which won't change the quality of the photos, but it will take more space. If you want, select. So once you do it, all the photos that are present in the Android gallery will be automatically uploaded to the Google account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.